You are saying that William Ruto is hanging out with started two dropouts. Let me ask you a question. Our fathers, are they university? Are they graduates? Number two, can you compare me with you, Sifuna? You know, my IQ and your IQ, it is not even a quarter. So, look for somebody you can compare yourself with, or you can compare William Ruto with, but not me. I'm in another class. Not because I'm bragging, but you can ask my history. You don't have even a quarter of my knowledge. So don't be stupid. Don't talk like a kid. Every day you've been you insult this one, you rubbish the other one. Oh, you know, so let me. Can you go and ask people or ask your friends if and I ask them to tell you the truth. They will tell you the truth that you are nothing. And you don't reason like even a standard form 4 dropout, leave alone standard 2, because my friend, it is not about school, it's about skills. It's not about PhD, it's about calculation. So long as you can speak, you can think, you can see, you can smell, I don't think you have both of those things. You're just a coward, a stupid man.